Welcome back our esteemed viewers on yet another video. Like we all know, the separation between Mungai Eve and director Trevor made her lose her social media platforms. Director Trevor changed their social media handles from Mungai Eve to KOM. Now Mungai Eve is back with a banger after she introduced her new social media handle that she'll be using. These are some of the posts she posted as she introduced her new social. Welcome to the new Mungai Eve. Get ready for a fresh start and a whole lot of inspiration. We are thrilled to unveil the revamped Mungai Eve, bursting with authentic storytelling, empowering messages, and a positive impact on your world. At Mungai Eve, we have always strived to share captivating stories that resonate with the soul. Now, with a brand new look and feel, we are taking things a step further. We'll continue to curate engaging content, but with even greater focus on inspiring you to reach your full potential and empowering you to make a difference. So join us on this exciting journey as we explore the human experience, celebrate diversity, and ignite positive change together. Buckle up, get ready to be inspired, and welcome to the new era of Mungai Eve Media. In case you want to follow her, this is her YouTube channel, Facebook page, Twitter page, Instagram tribe page, and TikTok page. Several celebrities have come out to congratulate her. We want to say congratulations to Mungai Eve as she begins another journey, as she starts things from scratch. We hope that she's going to come back stronger and she's going to reach where she was. Thank you.